Alright, so in this video, let's go ahead and see how we can quickly create something really interesting. Maybe this is a cool hard surface piece that could be applied to a robot or a spaceship or something robotic, right? So how do we do this? How do we create this in zBrush? So let me show you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Lightbox and click on DynamoX 128. Just double click on it. And once it's in the scene, I'm going to turn my camera off perspective, so I'm in the orthographic view. Now I'm going to press Control and Shift to go to my brush and grab this knife rectangular. Now if you press X on your keyboard, you can make sure that your active symmetry is on. Let's go ahead and chop one side, and that will automatically chop the other side. So we have a shape similar to this. If you wanted to, we can also maybe cut something in the middle as well, just for fun. And now let's go ahead and punch a hole right through this. So to do this, I'm gonna go to my brushes, and I'm gonna grab this IMM brush primitive. So let's just grab this number 12, that's fine. And I'm gonna grab any one of these cylinders should work. And now, instead of just simply clicking and dragging just like this, hold on the Alt key and then drag it. So then you have kind of this subtraction looking shading. If you go to the side, it looks really weird, right? So one thing we could do is go to Display Properties and turn on the double to see what are we looking at. Now if we go to Move Tool, we can move it maybe to the center, so something like that. And now essentially I just want to remove this cylinder from the sphere. So I'm going to go to Draw, hold down the Control key and drag once, and then hold down the Control and drag again. And that will remove that'll punch the hole right through. Alright, so that looks really cool. If we wanted to re-Dynamesh this, we can of course do that. We can maybe set this to like 512. And let's go ahead and re-Dynamesh it, and we can polish it. Do it again. So if you don't have the polish slider on yours, that's actually in the deformation polish. So that's right there. And now to make those other cool cuts, all we need to do is just simply hold down the Control and Shift and just go around the mesh and create fun random cuts that you like for your object. And lastly, let's go ahead and switch back to the perspective view. Give us some depth. And of course we can apply one of these cool materials. How about this reflected metal one? So here we are, and that's a cool and very fast way to create organic but hard surface looking elements here in zBrush. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go ahead and do a BPR on this guy.